Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today what we are going to do is like change the screen on a 14 plus. So as you can see here, so I've done like a little bit of work on it because it was too much time consuming. So I removed the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone like this, and then I tried to get this opening, a small opening here, and now I'm going to pry this one up. Okay. Let's look how it looks inside. Oh, yep. So this is how it looks inside. This is different to 14 Pro Max and 14 Pro. They got this plate here, which separates the thing. So I just want to see like if it turns on. Yeah. So the Apple logo is there. So it's these turning. Right. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is like remove this bit here and transfer it onto the new screen. Let's do that now.
A few moments later.
All right. Now let's undo these two screws here. And now we have to transfer this bit onto the other side.
More moments later.
All right, let's see what we can do here. I'm just going to use some alcohol. Done. So we got that in one piece. Now what we are going to do is transfer this thing onto the new screen. So let's get the new screen here. All right, so that's our new screen, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is align everything into, so that sensor goes here, the other sensor, this sensor, that sensor, and that's perfect. That's exactly what we need to do. And done. And now, just to secure the whole thing, what we need to do is like put this. Let's do this screws on, and we are done with the earpiece. Okay, so we have secured this thing. Now let's get back to the screen here. So that connection has been done. Now let's turn this one on. Right, so as you can see, there is an Apple logo here. Uh, let's do some testing and then we can just close the whole phone. So yeah, that works perfect. So what we are going to do now is like just let's get this thing secured, this connection with a Y000 screw. And there's one more, which is a right. So I've secured both the connectors, the earpiece and the other one. And now what we have to do is like just start from the top and make sure you just align everything, and just you should be able to get that crunch. Once you get that crunch, that's it, we are all done. Now we just need to put the bottom screws. So that's the first one. Perfect. So I think we are done with this. Now this one works perfect. Now let's see. Um, this is the emergency number, and we can just test it. 1, 2, 3, and done. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys.